Hey, I'm Andrew Fielding with RE/MAX Twin City and Fielding.com, and I'm in the east end of Kitchener today, and I'm at 3227 King Street East. You tired of paying rent or paying somebody else's mortgage down? Well, if that's the case, then I have a great opportunity for you. We have a great 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, close to everything you're gonna need. We're close to the expressway, to Chicopee Ski and Tube Park. We're close to Fairview Mall. We are close to everything. Add on top of that the amenities that this building has to offer, the community room, the pool, all those different things makes this a great opportunity for you to get into the real estate market. So let's go inside and take a look at this great 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. So there you have it, Unit 810 at 3227 King Street East here in Kitchener. If you have any questions about this property or you want to book your own private showing, feel free to reach out. And for more information like walk score, virtual tours, pictures, visit Fielding.com and check out the featured properties. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and we'll talk to you soon.